Good morning everybody, CryptoStrang here. This morning giving an update on Verasity, VRA. I've done a video on the 15th of October and you can see the price was basically 5.5 cents. We had a market cap of 242 million. Now Verasity have just rolled out their roadmap. They've got massive plans for 2022, but obviously, especially last weekend, we had, as everyone knows, had that massive dump. It was an absolute shock to wake up Saturday morning to see such a huge dump in the market. But it wasn't just crypto, was it? It was all across from stocks and shares, etc. So it was a real savage weekend, wasn't it? Let's be honest. So here we are today. The market cap is now at 87 million, and we're just under 2 cents. We're currently ranked 394. So Veracity's market cap has dropped a hell of a lot since that last video. Now, it's never financial advice, as you know, but to me, this is a wonderful buying opportunity. And this will be the #1 project that I'm going to keep buying as we go into February. Okay, now you can see there are 43% of supplies out there, 4.47 billion. Okay, so it's really great to see that sort of supply out there. Project's been around since 2018. Obviously, I've covered Verasity on quite a few videos now. You know, it's basically, it's created for our next generation of video sharing, should we say. They basically make it fair when people actually genuinely create something, they're actually rewarded. Okay, now they're making huge strides for Verasity. Now, when you go on their website, I know I showed this website before, they've since updated it and it states that all roads lead to VRA. It's digital currency created exclusively for the exchange and transfer of value in esports, variety gaming, NFTs, and video economy globally. Now that's the bit obviously started out with the video economy, the advertising, etc. But they're going obviously into the gaming over the last year massively, but now really getting into NFTs. VRA is currently held by over 300k Verawallet users. Now on the previous video I also spoke about staking. Spoke about if you can't buy VRA direct on the site, so you've got to buy from the exchange. With the gas fees, each time you've transferred, it'd be quite a while to actually earn some VRA. But that was entirely up to you. You want to do that. Fortunately, VRA is still not on any exchanges yet to do the staking, but they have extended the staking on the Verawallet to next March. Okay, you can see there, it's just such a surprise, under 2 cents. It really is. States there. The current supply is to say 4.47 billion, but the VRA staking bonus is 25.5% per annum. That's still the same per annum as I've done on the previous video. And it's entirely up to you if you want to do the staking, so it will be very rewarding long term. But it states there, accelerated and sustainable adoption. Veracity is a revolutionary esports, ad tech, NFT, and digital content economy with practical applications of blockchain. We are building best-in-class decentralized solutions for rapidly growing industries. So they're constantly developing. That's what I like about it. Interested in learning more about VRA? You can obviously got their white paper and you've got your pattern as well. Now, there's so much about what they're doing now. I think this year is going to be absolutely huge for them. Whether we're in a bear market or not, I think the project itself, VRA, is going to make huge strides, okay? Now, this was the massive news. I saw this tweet literally a couple of weeks ago. Now, proof of view, okay? This is very important. It basically proves the person viewing is actually genuine. But because of the Chinese patent, regulators in China now have to allow all Chinese media companies to use proof of view. So with Brightcoves and our local Chinese partners, we can start rolling out POV in China in 2022. And it states there, proof of view is ready for the $120 billion Chinese ad market, passing examination by the Chinese Patent Office. Now you go on the Veracity, obviously goes more in depth on here, but it's got their base. The fact they've got their proof of view and it's approved in China, and the Chinese have basically said you've got to use this in China to prove it's a genuine person, and the fact that they've got their own technology now, actually patent approved in China is absolutely huge. It basically states there, ensures that content and advertisement viewed via content players with POV integration are served to real viewers, verifiable, on-chain and recorded immutably through Veracity's purpose-built distributed ledger technology. Proof of view empowers advertisers to lower their ad spend loss to bots and fake viewers, enables publishers to get paid faster for served ads through transparent viewership metrics. So already granted in the patent in the USA, the largest ad spend market in the world, obviously it's $240 billion per annum. Proof of view technology is now poised to dominate the ad tech market in both the Western Hemisphere and East Asia. But to actually get in China and actually get that approved is absolutely incredible. And with Veracity's blockchain technology ready to establish this with their ecosystem, it's absolutely huge. massive for VRA. I think it's going to be a wonderful year for VRA. I just think personally the price at the moment is just crazy low. But again, you've got to do research and see if you believe what I'm believing seeing in this project. Now, obviously, it was great to see their roadmap come out. And you can see here, the first quarter, obviously what we're now, proof of view admin panel for Bright Cove publishers, the blockchain, proof of view and analytics dashboard for Bright Cove publishers, closed beta with initial Bright Cove customers. You see the second quarter also talks about proof of view live with Bright Cove customers. Now that is the second quarter of this year when that actually goes live with the Bright Cove customers is fantastic. POV enabled smart contracts for NFT marketplace development. Viewer Card partnership launched. It scrolls to the third quarter. The fact they've done it for the whole year and just done it like the first 2 quarters is incredible. But sort of again, the third quarter, they're really going to the NFT marketplace, the MVP public launch, and introduce a platform for in-game redeemable NFT items creation. And also the fourth quarter, you're going to do the website revamp again. You've got the Vera Esports new video library. And they're sort of, as they're going sort of on the fourth quarter, they're going back to the gaming side of Input. So they've got massive plans this year. Obviously, the proof of view is the main part this first quarter, and then we're also getting started with the NFTs and all the gaming and the website revamp. So you can see for the whole year they've got massive plans and a huge roadmap, which is great for a project that's been out since 2018. They can buy Verasity on many exchanges. Recently done if you actually go on the Verasity Medium site, which obviously I follow, you can see here it talks there about the video on demand market, but they've also done here it's now on a tier 1 Huobi, but it's on many others already. It's on KU CoinGate, Bittrex, MEXC, Bitmart, Hotbit. It's on so many exchanges, it's incredible. Now they've also on Huobi again. That was just 5 days ago. So it's just amazing the project's still under 2 cents. I really find it absolutely baffling, to be honest. But anyway, this talks there about the video on demand content allows users to access videos without a static broadcasting schedule across a range of devices. Again, huge demand. That was actually only published basically yesterday. Okay, so when you go over the whole part of Verasity, it's just got so much potential this year. I think that roadmap is super fantastic for this year. Makes me even more bullish about VRA. I'm surprised we've done that video. It's done one back in May when it was about 3 cents. The one in October was obviously 5.5 cents, and here we are now below 2 cents, obviously because of the market dump. It's amazing to see Verasity. You go back to CoinMarketCap, have that market cap of just over $87 million. The volume in the last 24 hours was nearly 73 million. Okay, now long term, especially as they're increasing the stake into March 2023, you've got 43% of the supply out there now. Again, not financial advice, I said earlier. However, this looks absolutely fantastic for this year. All depends on what bear market we get. If we stay in this bull market, I believe we're not going to get a bear market like before. I generally do believe that. Time will tell. Okay, you can see on the watch list on Verasity, 320,000 people watching Verasity as well. Certainly a project. If you don't own VRA, certainly keep on your radar. See how it develops. I'll certainly be doing regular update videos. I just really like Verasity and what they're actually trying to achieve out there, and they're making huge strides. They really are. I think this year is another massive year for them. So anyway, thanks for listening. Anyway, help as usual. Email me, info@cryptostring.com, all my social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Do a lot of roadmap videos soon. So there's a lot of projects which have got fantastic roadmaps for this year. It'd be great to see how they develop. Obviously, do regular update videos on the sort of the ones I'm really concentrating on. There's obviously quite a few that we do concentrate on. I need to do update videos on many other projects. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. Cheers now. Bye.